Hi everyone, this is Rene with whyamigreen.com. Just recently I was asked how my Alaska Dutch bucket system is going. When I showed it initially, I showed what it looked like, but it didn't have any plants in it yet. So today I'm going to give you an update so you can see for yourself. Okay, so here it is. It initially had these first 6 buckets, and that was all I started out with. Now yesterday I added on another 10 buckets for a total of 16. So let me go ahead at the beginning here and show you what I've done and how it's working. Initially I had 2 blue buckets, a deep blue one like that. One was my reservoir, and of course that one there is my float. But what I've done since then is I've attached one of these 50 gallon containers here, rain buckets or rain barrels, they're a material rain barrel, as my reservoir. The other one is feeding a system I have downstairs. So from that you can see over there, there's the one on the right is the one feeding it. It's going behind this other one, goes into this blue one. Let me show you what's in here. That's my float, and that makes sure the water level stays right at that level there. Just have that on for the bugs. Now these are the ones I just added on yesterday. And over here, those are purple Cherokees. And over here I have some Romas. So let's go ahead and back up. And you can see the system just goes into each one. And basically what's inside there, let's see, here's one I'm getting set up to add to it. What's inside there is a colander, and what I do is I put holes in there, and the colander goes right inside, and then inside the colander I have my Walmart grow bags, and that's filled with dirt. That goes in there, and of course the plant goes inside there, and that's what you see. And on the outside the tube goes right in the bottom. Here, let's see if I can show you here. See that? I got a little grommet. So the water goes right into the feed and goes to the next one and the next one. Now, if people wanted to know what the results were, the ones that I had inside are the ones that I have these big tomatoes in. So we're still, this is June 2nd. Most people's plants are a little bit smaller than those first ones I showed you, but I've had these out pretty much right after the first frost, and you can see how beautiful these tomatoes are going. So it's working really well. Another adaptation I made this morning was the last one I had an elbow feeding the water into the last one, and it just stopped. But what I did was I changed that with a T and made a cord that goes right out here. So this way, every once in a while, I can just take this cord and just let it go like that, but off the edge of the deck. And what it'll do, see if I take it and shove it right off. So it goes right off the end of the deck, and it's draining water, as you can see. See the water coming out of there? And what I'm doing is I'm flushing my system. But I don't want to be doing that right now, so I'm going to take that and put it back up here for a bit. There we go. So I designed that so I can drain the line if I have too much water, if I think it's been too stagnant, or if I want to put some new nutrients in the green bucket or in the green rain barrel, and that'll feed the nutrients all the way down. So that's the new system. I hope you like it. Leave your comments if you have any questions. I have a lot of information about it at my website at whyamigreen.com. So I want you to have a great day, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green.